I sat down, put my head down, because I didn't want anyone to come into my face or anything. But when she was moving my pen and paper towards me and stuff, I think she was just trying to get me to work, just like hinting at me that she wants me to work without having to say anything before it got out of hand.
I know it's chilly in here, everyone, but I really appreciate all those who came in and took their coats off.
Well, I could see what she was doing. She was just like asking them. She wasn't asking me directly, but you could tell she was aiming it at me because everyone else had their coats off. But I guess she was just, it was better than her just saying directly because it would have just made me go out of control and stuff.
That's really persuasive language. Well done.
I wouldn't say the attention I was getting was embarrassing because she didn't really make it obvious because she was talking to the rest of the class.
Coat?
I think she handled me pretty well, although the little comments could get a bit annoying and it could make me go the other way as well, depending on how annoyed I am. But pretty well, considering.